See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
It's been the tale of two seasons this weekend, as yesterday felt very spring-like with temperatures in the lower 70s. But today we struggled to make 54 for the afternoon high, with that cool northerly breeze making it feel even cooler. So about a 20-degree change from what it was yesterday to where we were able to top out today. And it looks like the January-like weather will stick around for Monday and Tuesday, with areas of patchy frost possible the next couple mornings before we gradually warm up towards the end of the week, with the chance for showers returning. So taking a look across the country, we can see where the system that brought all the heavy snows yesterday through the Midwest is now pushing into the mid-Atlantic, producing heavy snows back through the D.C. area and over towards Delaware and up into southern New Jersey, and is pushing off to the east. But because of an area of high pressure, New York and the northeast hasn't really seen much of this snow system. Lots of clouds on the backside, keeping many people gloomy today, including a large portion of the Pelican State. And then our next system is beginning to make its way into the Pacific Northwest, and that'll eventually get to us by about Wednesday and Thursday, bringing us that next chance for rain. But you can see where that heavy snow has been today, pretty much right over top the capital of D.C., where they've seen several inches and could continue to see the snow as it continues through this evening. So a very nice blanket through the capital. I have a couple pictures up on my Twitter page if you want to see what it looks like with all the snow on the capital over in D.C. But you can see the system pretty much falling apart, but it does look like we will still see at least some snow for the rest of this evening up in the D.C. area. Now, we did get the sunshine here across a large portion of Acadiana, but you can see up towards Alexandria, the clouds have remained locked in down towards Baton Rouge and over towards New Orleans. And because of that, temperatures did not get out of the 40s in those areas. But thanks to the sunshine, we were able to see we topped out at 54. But right now, already cooling back down to those 40s as we're sitting at 49 degrees here in Lafayette, New Iberia, 44 for Alexandria. Still a little warmer out to the west over towards Lake Charles, but once that sun goes down here for them in the next 10 to 15 minutes, they'll begin to cool down. And with that northerly flow, it felt rather chilly to be outside throughout much of the day, so you needed the heavier jackets. And that's what it's going to be the next couple days as we take a look at tonight's temperatures across northern Acadiana, getting down into those low to mid 30s. So a good chance for widespread frost to begin the day, especially north of Highway 190, even along the interstate. I'm going mid 30s, so 36 for Lafayette and Crowley. That could lead to areas of patchy frost, so you will have to cover that sensitive vegetation, and that goes all the way down to the Gulf Coast. As you can see, mid 30s for Vermilion Parish down even into St. Mary Parish. We're looking at the upper 30s for overnight lows to begin Monday morning. And you're going to want that jacket again all throughout the day. Temperatures only topping out in the mid 50s again, even with plenty of sunshine. Then going into Tuesday morning, another chance for some patchy frost as temperatures drop down into those low to mid 30s to begin the day under clear skies. And even on Tuesday, we're still staying on the cooler side. Highs again only in the mid 50s. So a couple January-like days, at least for the first half of the work week. By Wednesday, though, that area of high pressure and cool air starts to slide off to the east. Southerly flow returns, and that brings moisture. So a slight chance for a few isolated showers throughout the afternoon. A little better chance for some scattered showers late Wednesday night. And then we're going to keep the rain with us on again, off again throughout much of the day on Thursday. As you can see in the morning, some showers around into the afternoon. Most of this activity will be fairly light, but you can see you're just going to have that umbrella with you for the second half of the work week. Even in the Friday morning, some showers around, continuing into the afternoon. Neither day looks to be a washout, just going to kind of be some light nuisance rains to end out the work week, but temperatures will be getting into the 70s by Thursday and Friday, so at least it'll be mild with the rain around. Best chance for widespread showers will be Saturday with our next strong cold front, and you can see very cold air on the backside. Freezing rain could be moving into northern portions of the Pelican State by Saturday evening, then turning breezy and much cooler by about Sunday, as highs might not get out of the 40s during the afternoon. With the wind chill, it might only feel like the 30s. So we'll go a cold, breezy night, patchy frost likely as temperatures get down into those low to mid 30s, so cover those sensitive plants if you have any still, and then a cool winter day for our Monday. Good news is not as breezy, but still feeling nice in that sunshine. Gradually warming up towards the end of the work week with 70s with the chance for showers by about Thursday and Friday. Best chance that we all see the rain will be Saturday, and then turning sharply cooler on the backside. Could have a freeze possible by next Monday morning. And as you saw with that, maybe even some snow heading our way by next weekend. So we'll have to keep an eye on the models in the coming days.
So as we prepare for a drop, some areas in the nation are digging under a blanket of
yes,
snow.
they are. as more than 35 million people are under those winter storm warnings, mainly up in the D.C. area. At last, 10 people have died since the powerful storm has moved through the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic, including an Illinois state trooper, which happened on slick roadways. And the most snowfall was recorded in Missouri, where they saw a foot of snow on Saturday. And at last checked, 250,000 people are still without power, and airports are trying to catch up from all the delays and cancellations. Kendria?
All right, thank you, Eric. Still